Lesson 7, Novelty. Novelty. As per the Oxford Dictionary, novelty is defined as a thing, person, or situation that is interesting because it is new, unusual, or has not been known before. An example would be electric cars. Even though they have been around for quite some time, they are still novel in their wide usage. So, in this case, we would not be talking about novelty pieces that grandma collected at the duty-free shop when she went to Niagara Falls. Novelty means to capture the mere essence of a moment. In other words, it's something memorable. It makes an impression upon a person that they won't forget or will not easily confuse or misidentify with something else. When novelty is infused with emotion, it makes a longer lasting impression on an individual as opposed to normal everyday interactions. Novelty doesn't have to be far out either. When someone describes the children's restaurant with the mouse mascot, we think, oh yeah, Chuck E. Cheese's. That's very, very simple, but still rather novel. However, when someone describes the restaurant at Clifton Hale's Niagara Falls that rotates at the top of a tall tower, anyone that's been there will have not forgotten and will certainly know exactly what you're talking about. Why? Because of novelty. Lyft and Uber offer a degree of novelty for the simple fact that they provide rideshare services not offered by yellow taxis. Medieval Times offers a very unique dining experience, almost a Cirque du Soleil of food experiences, and hopefully I said that correctly. Novelty. Again, you don't have to be gimmicky, but you want to provide an intriguing offer, either through service, quality, or experience. An example for service would be the waitress that delivers the food on the roller skates. Quality, the Waldorf Astoria compared to basic overnight stays, or even long-term stays. Even if you do not operate a high-end establishment, if you can match its level of quality through service or experience, then patrons will love you. An experience example would be a pianist that performs for your restaurant guests every Friday evening at 7 o'clock. Simple, but elegant. Adding novelty is not meant to create complexity around your offerings. Rather, it's designed to assist you in several things and executing them finely. Number 1, customer attraction. Number 2, customer experience. Number 3, making the company distinguished or memorable. Number 4, fun and enjoyable. Number 5, word of mouth. If you've really done your job well, people will talk about you. In a positive light, of course. This is the end of Module 2. We'll see you in Module 3. Thanks for joining. So now that you have a better understanding of the Frag-Long framework, you understand that you can create almost anything. It just simply starts with a very basic idea, and you use the Frag-Long framework, and you enact upon those ideas, i.e., use the basic information to get the idea launched. And from there, you add a bit, add another bit, and you add another bit, and then you redevelop it over and over again until you have near perfection, because you will never have perfection and you will never be done. But at least you have a framework to get you started.